So in this video, we are looking for stocks on a monthly scan, CPR scan with a bullish trend. Okay, so three monthly CPR has to be up. It has to be above the trailing moving averages. Okay. Okay, if you look at the moving averages details, you can see 21, 55, 144, 233. Okay. And also TTM squeeze, it should be yellow at the yellow, right? After the downtrend is complete, it has to be yellow and then it has to become green, right? So first stock we want to look at is HAL. Right? Let's look at HAL. You see the CPR up, right? 3 CPR up. You can see it's basically, so what happens is, so the stock goes from yellow, becomes bullish and goes till here, light blue, and then dark blue is bearish and then comes down here to red. So you want to catch stock for downtrend above at the blue candle, blue signal here, or uptrend at the yellow signal. So you can see the first yellow here. So that basically signifies that stock is going to trend bullish. Okay. So I just put that also, LNG and MAR. Okay. LNG. Okay, 3 CPR up. Okay, so this is bullish. You can take to the upside. You can see a buy signal here, buy signal here. I think it's a buy signal. Okay, LNG, MAR, AMZN. MAR, Marriott. You see a buy signal from the VWAP. It's a buy signal here. So this also is a bullish setup. Okay, MAR, AMZN. Okay, buy signal from the VWAP. It's 3 CPR up, bullish on the RSI, buy signal here. You can see the yellow here, so everything is lining up for a bullish setup. Okay, Amazon bullish. Next one is RKT. Okay, you can see the yellow here, bullish symbol here. Okay, so these are the three stocks, 4 stocks, right? HAL, MAR, AMZN. Okay, LNZ. Okay, so now let me take this condition off, right? Let's just take it off and scan without the settings. So now there are 70. Okay, let me just see. There are 200 stocks. Okay, 78 stocks. Okay, so I'm going to sort by relative volume. In Dell, call Sizzle, OLN, Dell. Let's look at OLN. Okay, you see a buy signal here, but stock is trending down. Okay, gotta be careful with this one. You don't want that. Scan Dell. Okay, you can see 3 CPR up. This is up. This is up. Everything looks good. Okay, so scan. Let's look at XLE, which is the oil sector. XLE. You can see XLE. If you don't want to play individual stocks, you can play XLE. It's a good buy signal here. So up here, buy signal here, and then also buy signal here. Okay. So let me do one more thing. Let me add a VWAP. Okay, study, custom study, delete, add study the VWAP buy via buy sell. Okay, I want to buy on a monthly time frame, true within 1 bar. Okay, scan this. Now I'm down to 20 stocks. Okay, so I want to high volume. You can see DBX Dropbox Z, DBX. You can see 3 CPR up. You can see the buy signal here. Okay, so this is a good one. Okay, scan Z, PG, Z. A good setup. You can see it's buy signal here, but you have to cross the above. Okay, PG, it's a buy signal here, buy here, buy here. Let's look at one more, X. Okay, X is good, so you can see a buy signal here and above the CPR, so you can take the trade to the upside. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you want any of the scanner or indicators, please let me know. Thank you.